Ever wondered how organizations protect their assets from threats and risks? Today we're diving deep into the world of security management, where it's all about understanding assets, vulnerabilities, threats and risks. Picture this. An organization is a castle, and its assets are the treasures within. This includes everything from the physical bricks and mortar of the castle to the invaluable jewels of data and information to the people who keep the castle running smoothly. These assets are what the organization strives to protect. But no castle is impregnable. There are always vulnerabilities, the weak spots in the castle walls. Vulnerabilities could be anything from a creaky door that's easy to break down to a guard who hasn't been properly trained, or even a secret passage that people are unaware of. In the world of organizations, these vulnerabilities could be a weak firewall, an employee who's not cyber aware, or a stakeholder who doesn't understand the value of strong passwords. Now imagine a threat as the would-be invaders of the castle. These threats could be anyone from a thief looking to steal the jewels, a rival kingdom wanting to claim the castle, or even a clumsy servant who might accidentally start a fire. In the digital realm, these threats could be hackers, viruses, or even an unwitting employee clicking on a malware link. And finally, risk is the chance that a threat will exploit a vulnerability and cause damage to the assets. It's the possibility that the thief finds the secret passage, the rival kingdom breaches the weak spot in the wall, or the servant leaves a candle burning. In an organization, this is the potential for a hacker to exploit a weak firewall, a virus to infect an unaware employee's computer, or a stakeholder to unknowingly share sensitive information. So, by understanding these four key concepts, assets, vulnerabilities, threats, and risks, organizations can build stronger defenses, train their people better, and put measures in place to protect their most valuable treasures. Remember, in a world where threats are ever evolving, understanding these concepts isn't just beneficial, it's essential. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep questioning. And if you're intrigued by what you've heard today, be sure to subscribe to Demystify Tech for more insights into the fascinating world of tech and security. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious. We are at Demystify Tech.